Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best foam polishing pad is probably one of the most essential tools for any car enthusiast or detailer looking to achieve a flawless finish. These pads are designed to work with polishing machines, effectively removing scratches, swirls, and imperfections from your vehicle's paint. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, choosing the right foam polishing pad can make a world of difference in the final result, giving your car that showroom shine. Number 5. SPTA 6.5-inch Buffing Polishing Pad Kit. This heavy-cut foam pad is designed to remove deep scratches and oxidation. It's ideal for use with heavy-cut polishing compounds and works best with rotary polishers. This pad will help you achieve a flawless finish. The T80 yellow pad is for intensive cutting and swirl-free polishing. It removes swirl marks and medium oxidation. You can use it with various polishing compounds on different types of polishers. This moderate cut pad effectively removes sanding disc marks and medium oxidation. It's compatible with different polishing compounds and suitable for various car polishers. This pad is a versatile choice for your polishing needs. The T40 orange pad is a light cutting pad that removes fine scratches and light oxidation. It works well with medium cut polishing compounds. It's a great choice for achieving a smooth finish. This ultrafine finishing pad is designed for a swirl-free, glossy finish. It removes car wash scratches and ultrafine swirl marks. Use it with finishing polishing compounds for the best results. The pads feature a unique design with different sizes on each side to protect the surface. This design reduces abrasion and increases compatibility with various compounds. It's a great choice for achieving ideal polishing results. These prime quality sponge pads are bendable, washable, and reusable. They are designed to lock in polishing compound and have excellent heat dissipation. They are perfect for waxing, polishing, and sealing glaze. What we like. These pads offer a range of cutting forces, from heavy cut to ultrafine finishing. This means you can tackle any paint correction job, from deep scratches to swirl marks. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for all your polishing needs, this kit is the perfect choice. It offers versatility and excellent results. What people say. These pads fit perfectly on my 6-inch backing plate, and the 6.5-inch diameter provides great coverage, allowing me to work quickly and efficiently. The pack includes 5 different pads, each designed for different stages of polishing, from heavy cutting to light finishing. They fit perfectly on my 5 backing plate and hold up well under pressure. Number 4. Petutu 22 PCS 3-inch Car Foam Drill Polishing Pad Kit. This kit includes everything you need for car polishing. It comes with various pads for waxing, polishing, and sealing. It's designed to make your car shine. The package contains a variety of pads to meet different needs. There are sponge pads, woolen buffer pads, and essential accessories. You can easily switch between them. It's suitable for all types of car paint. You can use it for cleaning, improving brightness, and detailing. This kit is perfect for both professionals and car enthusiasts. The pads are made of high-quality wool and sponge. They are bendable, washable, and reusable. You can choose different softness based on your needs. This system provides efficient cutting and polishing. It can handle the most difficult car oxidation and scratches. It can be used with pneumatic or electric machines. Before use, clean and level the pads to remove particles. After use, clean the polishers immediately and dry them in a cool place. This will extend its life. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including various pads and a drill adapter. This makes it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. If you have a drill and want to detail your car, this kit is a great option. It's perfect for polishing rough and small areas. What people say. From cutting pads to polishing pads, each pad serves its purpose exceptionally well. The 3-inch size is perfect for reaching tight spots and intricate areas of the vehicle, ensuring a thorough and comprehensive detailing job. By attaching the pads to a drill, the polishing process becomes significantly more efficient and effective. Number 3. Chemical Guys BUFX_106HEX6 Hex-Logic Finishing Pad. This is a professional-grade pad designed for optimal finishing. It's built to deliver exceptional results, making it a great choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. You can rely on it for a flawless finish. The Hex-Logic laser cut surface ensures a consistent and even finish. This innovative design helps to distribute the product evenly, leading to better results. It's a key feature for achieving a swirl-free shine. With this pad, you'll experience faster and easier polishing. It's engineered for efficiency, allowing you to achieve accurate results in less time. It's designed to make your detailing process smoother. The pad is perfectly centered for balanced performance. This design ensures smooth operation and reduces vibration. It contributes to a more controlled and effective polishing experience. The ring is flexible, bendable, and easy to wash and reuse. This feature adds to its durability and value. You can clean it easily and use it multiple times. What we like. The Hex-Logic surface design ensures faster and more accurate results. This means you can achieve a flawless finish in less time. If you value efficiency and precision in your polishing work, this pad is a must-have. It's designed to deliver professional-grade results with ease. What people say. After 5 years of diving deep into car detailing, this pad with the others from the family have been crucial for my car needs. I like the durability, quality of the material, and ease of cleaning. The result was to remove light swirls and scratches and round off the deeper scratches so they aren't as visible. The pad itself is in perfect condition after 4 hours of polishing. The foam is not visibly worn or chipped, and the hook and loop backing is firmly attached even after washing in the sink and squeezing dry. The Chemical Guys pads are worth the extra money. Number 2. Chemical Guys BUF_333_16 Pad Cleaner. This cleaner uses the natural power of citrus. It deeply cleans and rejuvenates all types of polishing pads. It keeps your pads free from old wax and compound residues. This ensures they maintain their optimal cutting ability. By keeping your pads in top condition, it helps avoid premature wear. This helps you save money on replacements. This cleaner is effective on foam, microfiber, and wool pads. It's also compatible with pad cleaning machines. It ensures consistent and high-quality polishing performance every time. You'll achieve professional-level results with ease. This product cleans, restores, and prolongs the life of your pads. It contains citrus degreasing agents that break up oil and eliminate residue. What we like. This cleaner utilizes the power of citrus to deeply cleanse and rejuvenate your polishing pads. This helps to prevent clogging and extends the lifespan of your pads. If you want to maintain the performance and longevity of your pads, this cleaner is essential. It ensures your pads remain in top condition, delivering consistent and high-quality polishing results. What people say. The pads worked great. Used them to polish my car and they did a fantastic job. Number 1. Chemical Guys BUF_900 Foam Pad Conditioning Brush. This brush is designed to clean and recondition your foam buffing pads. It helps to remove polish residue and restore the pad's performance. Using it regularly will extend the life of your pads. The product comes in a compact size, easy to store and handle. Its dimensions are optimized for convenient use and effective cleaning of your pads. This makes it a practical addition to your detailing kit. Built with durable materials, this brush is made to withstand frequent use. Its robust construction ensures it can handle the demands of professional detailing. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance. The ergonomic design of this brush makes it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. This feature reduces hand fatigue during extended use. It allows for precise cleaning and conditioning of your pads. This brush is versatile and can also be used on wool pads. It effectively removes debris and conditions the fibers. This makes it a valuable tool for maintaining various types of buffing pads. What we like. This brush is designed to clean and recondition both foam and wool pads. This helps to remove residue and maintain the pad's effectiveness. If you like to keep your pads in top condition and ensure they perform at their best, this brush is a great addition to your detailing kit. It's easy to use and built to last. What people say. Removes buildup from pads easily. Just lightly hold on pad while spinning it over trash can. Very sturdy brush that scrape away 98% of the residue left your polishing pads. Works as intended. Works very well for removing product from polishing pads. I'm impressed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.